Hey, baby. This is Stormy. Oh, there you are. The gray one's Jack. Hey, Jack, come here, baby. Come here, buddy. Aw, you such a handsome boy. Yeah. Oh, why don't you want me to pet you? This one's a good kitty. Yeah, you are, Stormy. Yeah. Aw, you such a pretty girl. Aw, you sniffing my bracelets? What are they? Huh? What are those? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, I love you. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do. Oh, you're so pretty. You're a pretty girl, yeah. The only boy kitten we have is Jack. Wait, where'd he go? There he is. Hey, Jack. Sorry, I'm shaking. Oh, are they playing? Oh, you're so cute. Hey, Happy. That one's Happy. Sorry. Where are all y'all? There you are. Happy, what are you doing? Why are you running? Come here. Oh, come on. Being so skittish. But this one, on the other hand, is beautiful and nice, huh? You're a pretty girl, yeah. Hey, why are you playing? Stop that. What are you doing? Oh, you're so cute. Why do you always want to play and never let me pet you, silly? You're so cute. This one, I don't remember his name. That one's Happy. Bella, where are you? I think I know where Bella is. Aw, where'd you come from? What? The gray one? Oh, where's it going? Wonder where that guy came from. The Happy we found. Wait, where'd he go? There she is. Hi, Bella. Oh, hey, Stormy. Hey, baby. You're so precious. Hang on. Where's Mama? Where's the mama kitty? Is she in one of those? Did she crawl into one of them? Oh, it's the one we found. What's wrong? What's wrong? Hey, it's okay. That one's gray, you can barely see it. Jeez, that one meows you out loud. We found that one and it just wants to leave. After we found Happy, she just wanted to stay. They're complete opposites. Hey, Jack. What are y'all doing? Hey, Stormy. Hey there. Aw, you're so precious. You're a precious girl. Yeah. Sorry, my knee's in the way. Are you playing with my cord? Hey, oh, don't eat it, don't eat it. Jeez, that cat meows loud. I mean, we want to let it go, but we just can't. It's just not right. It doesn't have a home. We're trying to put it up give it a home, but it just doesn't want to accept it. There you are, Mama. Mama! Shirley. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, you're a good girl. Yeah, she's a Siamese. She's so pretty. Oh my God. The cat is so loud. So this video is just going to be me introducing you to the kittens. Hey there. Hi, Jack. Hey there, Jack. Got new acrylics. They're like my mom's, but longer. Jesus Christ, that cat's loud. Okay, I'm going to end the video here. Bye, guys.